Hey there, my name is Ravina and I'm from Learn Canyon. If you are interested in becoming a professional skincare formulator, there are a few steps to keep in mind, and here are some tips to help you get started. Number 1. Educate yourself. Start by educating yourself on the science of skincare formulation. This includes learning about different ingredients and their properties, as well as how to create stable and effective formulations. Number 2. Gain practical experience. Hands-on experience is crucial for becoming a skilled formulator. Look for internships or entry-level positions at skincare companies or contract manufacturers to gain practical experience in the field. Number 3. Network with other formulators. Networking with other skincare formulators can help you stay up to date on the latest industry trends and techniques. Attend industry events and join online forums or professional organizations to connect with other formulators. Number 4. Pursue formal education. Consider pursuing a formal education in cosmetic science or a related field. This can help you gain a deeper understanding of the science behind skincare formulation and provide you with additional credentials. Number 5. Stay up to date on industry trends. The skincare industry is constantly evolving, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest trends and developments. Subscribe to industry publications and attend conferences to stay informed. Becoming a professional skincare formulator takes time and dedication, but with the right education, experience, and networking, you can build a successful career in the industry. Good luck!